Arab countries consider Israel as ally. Netanyahu. Turkey announces arrest of al-Baghdadi's sister. Russia and Turkey implement Syria deal with all terms. US building new military bases in Syria's oil-rich area. Qatar survives Saudi-led blockade ruler. US sanctions Iranian supreme leader's inner circle. Egypt forces kills dozens of militants in Sinai. Libya Council calls for boycott of war supporters. Indonesian tsunami victims recount painful memories. Pakistan sit-in, government and opposition fail to break ice. Erdogan helps Pakistan escape huge penalty. PM Khan. Daily life in Kashmir suffers amid lockdown.